networks can eventually maybe be bigger than Twitter. And how that works is we have this protocol that not coincidentally Evan Perdomo wrote, called the Open Microblogging Protocol. And the Open Microblogging Protocol is essentially it's built on top of OAuth, which is a system for sharing information securely on the internet without like doing a username and password kind of thing. What we do is we add some additional fields to that, and then we can do kind of a public or sort of a pub/sub kind of publish subscribe kind of model. So what you can do is you can go to another Laconica instance, and if you see somebody you're interested in there, you can say, I want to subscribe to this person, and then you tell them where you live, like in Laconica space. You give them the URL of a profile in your instance of Laconica that you use, and then you can subscribe, and the Laconicas will talk to each other and send messages back and forth. So that way you can kind of live in a bigger space, like sort of like Laconica, Laconica universe, I guess is how I think of it. But there's also some other software that implements this protocol. So it's not just Laconica. There's another program called Open Microblogging, which is another Twitter-like system, and it interoperates with Laconica. So all of their installs can talk to Laconica. And there's also now there's a WordPress plugin, so you can basically turn any WordPress into an open microblogging system and push out your blog posts to another Laconica, and you can also receive things on your WordPress. We're hoping that Jaiku, which is another microblogging platform that just became open source, is going to support open microblogging. They've talked a lot about it. They wanted us to help them with it before they launched, but before they went open source. But they went so fast. We don't have the resources to like direct at it, and we couldn't get it done for them in that amount of time. So it's kind of up in the air when they will support open microblogging, but we're hoping they will. So we're hoping that the whole open microblogging thing kind of takes off, and the idea is that there'd be 1,000 million Twitterers out there, and everybody who has some kind of web community would also have a microblogging community, or anybody who has a need for microblogging can use open microblogging. We've even tried to get Twitter to support it. We've got some interest from them. They keep waffling on it. One day they say, yeah, that's a great idea, we want to do it. And other times, I think the last thing they said is, it doesn't really fit in with our plans for the next year or two, so we're not going to do it. So we're hopeful on that. Let's see, what else do I got?